It's a video, guys. I didn't get to record it just now when I was saying goodbye to everybody. So yeah, we're saying bye now. We hugged and everything, but it wasn't recording. Oh my gosh, she asked for her autographs, her autograph. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're getting ready to leave now. It was a vibe. Picking up the bags. All right, guys, hopping over from the iPhone to the vlog camera. Yeah, we just went to our hotel room to change off. Well, Judah took a shower, changed everything. I'm pretty much basic. Yo, that room is really nice. Yo, shout out to my boy Kurt for hooking us up with the room. Yo, it's crazy. Hopefully I get to show you that, but we have an early flight tomorrow morning. It's like an 8 o'clock flight, so I don't know, it's 5 o'clock. We should be up, but we're going to this place called, what's it called? Martinis?
Blue Martinis.
Blue Martinis. So we're gonna go there, give you guys a couple of shots of that. Not liquor, but yeah. And make you guys see what's happening. Alright, so we're in here, so order some drinks and go and grab it. See me? I'm waiting for you, honey. So we are about to leave this place, and Judah doesn't want to leave. Honestly, I don't want to leave either. I mean, here in Florida it's a vibe. That bar place feels so much like Jamaica. But yo, I'm kind of having like a cold or a flu. I don't know what it is. But I do need to get back to Jamaica and, you know, put in some work for the YouTube. I don't know. We're gonna be, for this year, really taking YouTube like really serious, you know, trying to put it in full time. So probably, but you know, we definitely will come back. That's a fact. There's no doubt about it. She don't want to live.
It's really nice.
Yeah, you guys saw her teaching people to dance. It's crazy. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Yo, big up to Kurt all the time. Is it me?
Hey.
Yo, straight vibe. Anyway, guys, remember 3 things. Love, nature, adaptation, and awesome, man. Keep the link. I know I did say I was gonna end the vlog, but yeah, we're gonna show you guys the quick. You guys hear about sword? Man, it's crazy. We're gonna show you the. Oh, there's my yacht over there. What's up? We're gonna put on Soai vlogs on the side, but give it a second. Give it some time. Wow, this waterway is so cool. Okay. Yeah, so this is where we're at. Yo, big up some brethren actually in the hospitality industry. So is it me? We got the hookup, which is a vibe. Yo, shout out to everybody who has, you know, shown support in some way or the other. Yo, trust me, you guys make it happen. For the people who drop likes on the videos or drop positive comments or, you know, do other stuff, trust me.
Positive comments.
Yeah, it's a dude, I said positive comments.
Oh my my god.
Yeah, the water is beautiful.
It is.
We did hear you could take a ferry to go to other spots, but yo, people park them yacht at them something there. John, oh, yo, we soon reach there. Though. I'd like a yacht. Probably not that big, but yeah, vibes. Yo, this cold is getting the better of me. But what I'll do when I go upstairs, I'll show you guys the room. The room is really good. Cause it's a suite. It's a suite, so like you have all the stuff that you need to stay a couple nights. But yo, we're leaving tomorrow. We're leaving early in the morning, right? Well, we have stuff to do at Jamaica, yeah, man.
Do you really?
You see me? Alright, so we just got into our suite. So I'll go big up Hilton, isn't me? I think it's called 333 or whatever I want name. Something to that effect. But it's like a suite. So you have like the basic stuff to, you know, survive throughout the trip. So little kitchenette, stovetop, dishwasher, yeah, the basic stuff, and a nice size fridge. It's crazy. Yeah, our leftover food is in there. Of course, this mirror comes accessible if you are one of those girls who are very vain and not looking at yourself.
Nice.
You have comfortable, well, this is a nice size couch, to be quite honest. Yeah, you have that there. A big TV, really big TV, and of course dining table, which is great. Of course, doesn't come with Crocs, which are the best shoes on earth, but those are there. And in the bed is like really nice, very brighted TV. That's it too. I didn't even notice that. But anyway, the TV's in there. There's a closet, which is cool. Nice view of the bay, pretty much. You guys can't see it because it's dark, of course. And I'll show you the bathroom. The bathroom of the Airbnb, of course, was bigger. It was a whole vibe, but really probably not necessary because yeah, big vanity mirror, well, not vanity mirror, but you know, it's a good lighting, I would believe, sink, everything like that, and a nice little shower here. Yeah, so it's a vibe. Yeah, the Hilton, all suites, just really cool. So anyway, oh yeah, the bed head thing is really cool. So meaning if your bed is banging, it's like, and not unlike, you know, anything too rough. Huh?
Come pull this man.
But
sure.
Anyway, you guys hear our sound, so I'm gonna really end the vlog here. It's been a vibe. Mexico was good. Florida, a couple hours that we were here was good. But we're gonna try to get, well, I'm gonna try to. Judah don't want to leave, but I'm going to try to pack the bag. Oh, I got something for yo Raj, brother. Raj asked me to get a white suit. You know the Jamaican things that early. Anytime your bedroom come down from foreign, you know, try to get something for them. You know, so you don't have to pay no customs and things. So got this wetsuit for him. I'm gonna try to stuff this into my suitcase. This is a carry-on. You see me? So that's the vibe now. And yo, big up to British, I can't remember the YouTuber's, the YouTube tag name that she has, but her name is Andrea, I believe. Thank you for contributing. I think it was like about $10. So I used that to get this pot, which I'm gonna do something in, you know, when we're doing some outdoor cooking. Yo, shout out to you. I think it's Andrea Gordon. Let me double check that. Yeah, I was right with the name. Yo, shout out to you. Thank you so much. Again, trust me, all them people that who has been like here through this whole Soai vlogs thing from the get-go. I mean, I talk to people who watch majority of the vlogs, who always drop comments and who was always giving me, you know, more strength, more telling you, yo, whole heap of thanks, cause yo, I wanna really make it happen. Anyway, remember 3 things. Yo, do I love attention? We can't even talk on the vlog without she look on me. Watch out. Love. Love, nature, attention, remember. Keep the link.